here this route is good and there's no clashes, and I little move it upward, and if you want you can change the route. For example, you want to make a route side of the walls, you can cut these. All of the solutions which I said to you belongs to the situation of your project. Maybe the project you are working have different or special situation. So I move these duct upward. Mention this minimum distance of exhaust fan with the return is about 10 feet. Maybe in the kitchen you have a sink and the exhaust of the fan, but fresh air and return must place in another place because the 10 feet must be admitted. You have to check the standards which are using in your project. All of these is one type. Another shape, you can go here, draw duct. It's not important to use 90-degree in here. It's not necessary to using 45 degrees. If the diameter of the banding is very hot, you can use the control key to select all of them and select it like this, and you can move it to the right, and this is another route. And for your exhaust fan on the wall you can add diffuser, and I load the diffuser here. I'm air terminal, load family. I'm here, good news. Lower exterior, and I select the size 8 by 8. The standard is 6 by 6. It depends on the size of your duct. Because the exhaust fan CFM is low, you can select 4. I use 4 inches for the diameter, and these for 2. If you want to select multiple ducts, just hold down the control key. Air terminal, and select 6 by 6, and I aligned it like this. I do not want to do this. I equalized its height, estimately 8. Oh, it is correct. Align this with this. I move duct upward, align, I move it to the right, and you can draw duct, it depends on the shape, and I align these two with each other. Maybe you have the square duct or you can draw it side by side, or maybe you can remove it and align these with these, and done. And this is another figure, or maybe you can want to connect it totally like this. This was the explanation about the exhaust fan and how to connect it, how its connection can be. This lesson will continue.